welcome back to my channel SuperBeautyDezires, and this is Prerna. So today I'll be sharing very interesting video with you guys. Yes guys, I'm super duper happy about it, and I just want to share it with you all that I have just crossed 25,000 subscribers today. So I'm super duper happy and excited about this one because I had never thought that I would achieve 25,000 subscribers one day, and it happened guys. Yes, thanks to you all that you have subscribed me and gave me so much of love. So I must share one thing with you all, that I am going to organize one giveaway as a token of love for you all. So friends, all the details related to the giveaway are in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and do not forget to participate in this video, and let your friend also participate in this giveaway. So let's get started with this video now. So in this video I'll be sharing unboxing of ZenPop with you guys. ZenPop is the Japanese beauty subscription box in which you will get different type of products, and these products are handpicked by some specialists over there. And in this box you will get some Korean products and Japanese beauty products. As you all know that Japanese and Korean products are becoming famous day by day, so I am here to share some of the beauty Japanese products with you guys. And this ZenPop has also some different kind of boxes such as Ramen box, sweet box and stationery box. So guys, this subscription box comes in just $29, and in this you will get different type of products, and it also has 3 months or 6 months of beauty subscription. If you want to subscribe for 3 months or 6 months, you may go for that too. And also I would like to tell you that international shipping is free, so only the cost of the box you will have to bear. So let's get started. I will be showing all the products one by one to you guys. So guys, this is the box ZenPop, and this is the website name zenpop.jp, so you may visit this website for you. And I must show you the box, how the box comes and all the packages. So it is how the box comes to me, and these are all the bills of this, and one by one I will show you all the products. So first of all, I must show you this kit over here. So this is the hair conditioning kit, and this is very much useful guys, because as you all know that Japanese girls' hair are very much straight and silky, and we all must be thinking that what products they should use that which make their hair so much silky and straight. So these are all the products that they use in their daily hair care routine. So first of all, I must show you one card that they have given me, because all over the Japanese is written, so we are not able to understand the Japanese. So here is the card in which all the information is written related to the products. So first product is for deep cleansing, that is the shampoo, and then second product is conditioner, and then third product is the serum. So guys, this is the first product in this cute little box, and this is the first step in your hair care routine. So this is the hair cleansing product. Actually this is a shampoo. So firstly you have to use this one, and then you will have to use this second product. This is the conditioner. So after shampooing you will be conditioning your hair, and then this is the third product. Actually this is the serum kind of thing, so you will have to use this product all over your hair length and not over your scalp. So these are all the three steps in this included in this box. So first product is this one. Actually these are the three products, but they consider it as one, so this is a very good thing about it. Kudos for this one. So guys, next product in this box is this eyeshadow, and this is very much cute guys. As you see here, this is the cute little eyeshadow pops out with this box. And how you should use this one, you should just take a little bit of this one and just apply onto your eyelids, and you are good to go. It will give you so much of glow onto your eyelids, and I will be adding a clip over here how I use this one. So yeah, it is my most favorite product in this box. So let's see another product. So guys, next product in this box is this one. This is the lotion. Actually this is the lotion for acne prone skin. If you have acne prone skin, you should use this lotion. And how you should use this lotion, I must tell you that you should just wash your face first of all, then just apply this lotion onto your face. All over your face you should apply this one, and this is very much good for acne prone skin, and this is medicated, so it will be very useful for your skin if you have acne. So you should also apply this one too. So guys, next product in this box is this one. This is the Hydrogel Mask. Actually this is the gold mask, and is included in this box. So I'm super duper happy and excited about this product, because gold mask is very much good for our skin. As you all know that it just gives us glow and instant fairness, and I am very much looking forward to this gold mask, and will be adding a clip over here how I use this one. So I suppose that this mask is very much helpful if you have, you know, some of the dead skin over your skin, and if you want to rejuvenate your skin very soon and very quickly. So this is the mask that will leave your skin very smooth and soft within the 15 minutes. So it is the another product in this box, and I'm so very happy about this product too. Then last but not the least, this is the eye mask, and this is the, you know, this is the product that is curated by their own Japanese brand. So this mask is very much good if you are having, you know, tired eyes and some blockness and redness around your eyes. You should use this type of eye mask. I am going to use this one very quickly and frequently, because I use so much of mobiles these days, gadgets and these camera and lights. So my eyes always get tired with all these things, get used to all these things. So we should use this type of mask, eye mask, to relieve our eyes, to relax our eyes. So this is a very wonderful product and curated in this box. So I'm super duper happy and excited about this product too. So guys, all in all these products were included in this month's ZenPop, and if you want to order this ZenPop for you guys, you must check the link that I am giving in the description box below, and order one ZenPop for you too. And also one giveaway is running on my channel. Do not forget to enter that giveaway. I am going to give this box to one of my subscriber. So guys, if you like this video and if you enjoyed this video ZenPop unboxing, please hit like to this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends too, so that they can also order one ZenPop for them, and you can also win this ZenPop from me. So yes guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish. Bye bye, see ya. Comes the giveaway part. So for this giveaway there are certain rules. So guys, rule number 1. So rule number 1 is you have to be my subscriber. So subscribe to my channel. And then rule number 2, like this video, share this video. And then guys, rule number 3 is this one, that you will have to tag 3 friends of you, invite them to join this giveaway, and ask them to comment on this video, tagging with your name too, anything with your name. And then guys, fourth and very important rule is this one, that you will have to comment on each and every video of mine that will be coming after this video. I mean on all the March video and all the April's video, and stay connected with me, stay happy, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. And for brownie points guys, you will have to follow me on Instagram. So this is optional, Instagram thingy is optional for you, because some of you don't have Instagram account, I know that. So these were all the giveaway rules. You should follow these rules, and what you will be receiving, I must show you here. So you will be receiving this box. I mean, these are all the products in this box. These are all the beauty products, and also these are the I must show you the another box too. So these are all the kawaii products that you will be receiving. So 2 winners will be there. First winner will get this kawaii box from the team kawaii, and the second winner will get the box full of those beauty products, Japanese beauty products.